Yo, this is the type of time the MTA on right now. We sitting on this N train for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes, they talking about we gotta go back to 45th. Fucking type of timing these niggas on, son. Niggas dead ass late for work. They gotta go right to the Bronx. And they charging damn near $3 per swipe for this. Nah, I'm starting hopping trains. We ain't getting no more dollars out of me after this shit. Niggas just bugged the fuck out.
Folks, just relax in this car for the time being. We don't want you walking through the cars when the train is moving. It's dangerous.
Being late for work is dangerous. Fuck. Niggas got rent to pay and all that. Niggas bugged the fuck out, son. Shit, I was getting claustrophobic up in that bitch, son. Fuck. Niggas waiting on the train for almost an hour. This is what the MTA's paying. This is what we paying the MTA for. To be stuck on the train for almost an hour. This is what we paying for. We paying for this shit right here. Nah. Something gotta give, cuz.